Hey guys, today I'm going to share a fun memory. So I hope you watch to the end because it's pretty special. So remember when I made my red velvet cake mix cookies and I was going to share them with my friends? I went to just outside of Memphis for one of my best friend Angie's and her new husband Kevin's wedding, and my other best friend Lori, who is the maid of honor, she happened to be there as well. So I figured, perfect opportunity to share red velvet cookies. Cookies are done. They look phenomenal, don't they? Matter of fact, I gotta have one. I can't wait. I'm sorry. I just can't wait. But look at how chewy and moist these are. Oh, they're so good. That is gourmet, baby. Gourmet. Cookies for the whole rest of the day. Lucky me. Oh, wait. I guess I should save some for my friends, shouldn't I?
Hey guys, Becki-licious here. Told you I was making my awesome red velvet cookies for my friends. And here they are. Here's my peeps. So there you go. Yeah. Cheers.
They look amazing, Becky. Cheers. So good, huh?
Hey guys, Becki-licious here with my peeps. We're celebrating this wedding here. She just got married.
I really appreciate you sticking around to see my memory. It was amazing, and I really love that you guys love to hang out with me and help me cook and send me fun comments and give me recipes. All of the love. I love it, I love it. Thanks. And last but not least, don't forget to like and subscribe, share with your friends. Click on the link me for some other fun stuff. Thanks for being here. I'll see you next time.